So a lot of people end up doing seated injections in the quads here, in the legs, and that's certainly not our preferred method of administration. But if you don't have great mobility, or you just like the stability from a seated position, why can't we do the preferred ventroglute, the gluteus medius injection here, kind of below the iliac crest and above the femur in the hip from a seated position? And the answer is, of course you can. You won't find any videos out there, no tutorials showing people how to administer a ventroglute injection from a seated position, but we're going to do that today. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be actually using the auto injector too to administer this injection on myself. All right, here we go. We have our prepared injection. Now, how do you locate this injection site? It's very simple. Find the top of your iliac crest or your hip bone, so the very top of that, and then your femur, the top of the femur is called the greater trochanter. That's the knobby portion of the femur. So now, with one hand, locate each of those landmarks, and then anywhere in there, make a triangle, just like this. Now, get in your seated position, clean your injection site. Again, keep in mind your landmarks. There's plenty of meat to inject. Remove the cap of your injection, pull back the mechanism, remove the safety, hit the button to press the plunger. That's all there is to it, guys. It's that easy.